made it here to the Peak District, and we are here for the Task Force GLM hike for Gaza prosthetic limbs. Now the hike is looking at 10.5 miles, 1,000 feet high, and it's going to take us about 6 hours.
It's the beginning of the journey. Inshallah, we're going to see you guys on top.
Feels like we reached the top. That's probably due to physical fitness.
It's too easy so far. We got up there. The difficulty, we got to wear the bag now.
You know, we're gonna record him again at the end of the peak, and we're gonna see how easy it was.
Alhamdulillah, it's been a successful walk so far. All the brothers have been successful, and we're plowing through.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we're here in the Peak District with the brothers. We have a beautiful stream here. The fuqaha, they say that you can make wudu from every natural water, from rainwater, from spring, from river, from streams.
So guys, we are 50% and there. Everybody is resting, little pit stop, and inshallah we shall continue and join us in the journey.
Sheikh Mohammed, the face of this hike, alhamdulillah, and he has 20,000 pounds to raise. Sheikh, what was it like? Be honest.
Alhamdulillah, the motto so far has been light work, light work. But going up the steps, up the mountain was quite difficult. I think that was the most difficult part.
Alhamdulillah, the hike was great. Alhamdulillah, we're doing it for a great cause, for prosthetic limbs, for the children of Gaza, alhamdulillah. The hike's pretty straightforward, I'm not gonna lie. We've been, alhamdulillah, I'm around some good companions, good brothers, great experience, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. The Prophet ﷺ, he mentions that this dunya is a place of test, difficulty, and that however difficult and tiring your life is, but if they enter into paradise, or before they enter into paradise, they're dipped in a river, Allah Azza wa Jal will ask them, هل رأيت, have you seen any difficulty ever in your life? They said, ما رأيت بؤس قط, I never ever faced any difficulty, ever.